Hey everyone, as you see, I am on SBICard.com website today. And I'm on login page of this credit card. Firstly, I want to talk about SBI simply SBI credit card, and there are many types of SBI credit cards. Some of them are SBI Simply Save, SBI Simply Click, SBI Cashback Card, SBI Card Elite, and BPCL SBI Card are some of the most popular SBI credit cards. Since each card is focused on unique individual needs such as shopping, travel, fuel, groceries, and etc., choosing the right card could be confusing. To help you make an informed decision, here we have listed the top. I have listed the top SBI cards, so you can compare and apply for select SBI card. At and firstly, I want to say. Uh, Talk about SBI card Platinum. This card has the most expensive annual fee, and but it is best suited for travel, and also Yatra SBI credit card is also best for travel, and cashback SBI card is used for cashback and online shopping. And now on this login page, as you see, you need to have a mobile phone number, and you need to know your user ID and your card details. And this page is a bit different from other standard login pages because as you see, there is no password and customer number. So it asks your mobile phone numbers and your user ID. And customers holding on SBI corporate credit card need to log in using card details or user ID to access their corporate card account. So you can also use your virtual keyboard, and it is recommended and it is good thing for security. So thank you for watching my video, and please share and like and make comments my video. See you, bye.